This is how the market is going to look like come 2023. So if you are a forex trader, up till now you have not been able to analyze your market to see the future of next year. That means that you are still setting yourself for failures. I have dropped 2 videos. If you check on the screen, you check somewhere here. If you check below, above the screen, you will see, if you check somewhere here, you will see the video. If you check that place, you will see the 2 videos. Where I explain why after crossing market will not give you what you want. Now, this video, I am doing it to show you what 2023 will look like in forex trading using crash 1000 as the case study here. Please pay attention and follow me and see how possible it is for you to make money even from now till 2023, so that you will know whether this market is going to be a scalping 2023, whether it's going to be a scalping year or it's going to be a spike year. This is what makes some of us, then it looks as if we have secrets. It looks as if we the way we trade is different from others trade. Why? Because we spend days, we follow markets in months, in weeks, before we can tell you that this is what it's going to be. So follow me. Let's go to week 1. Let me show you this. So in case you are new to my channel, my name is GDFX. I am a forex trader. I trade. I also mentor people. I give out what I have to people so that we'll have more people that can succeed in forex trading. So I have no reason of keeping everything to myself, because I love to duplicate myself in different places. So that is why I teach people. So I don't have signal group. I don't give signals. I teach people how to create signals themselves so that they can be independent of their own, so that they can ask me questions. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I want to beg you to do so, because your subscription gives us encouragement. At least, since we are not selling the strategy, since we are not doing those things, your subscription and liking the videos will give us encouragement to create more, and for us to live to see that what we are doing is benefiting others. All right, thank you. So follow me now. In case you are new and you don't know all those things, the first place I should have entered, if you touch your screen, if you open your MT5 and touch your screen, something like this will come out. So I will touch this one, this W1. That W1 means week. That one there represents 1 week. So this MN means month. This D1 means day 1. So anything that happens when you touch that thing is day 1. And have this in mind that anytime you touch day or 1 hour, every candle there represents 1 hour movement. So get that in your mind. So I'm touching week 1. Now, what will be the nature of the market? What will be the nature of the market? Let me start by doing a back test. Listen. Let me start by doing a back test. Let me start by doing a back test. Watch from here. Let me show you this. From this very place now, here, this crossing here, this is November. Here, this is November 29th. Okay, if you put it exactly that place, this is November 29th, 2021. And here is where the market finally broke out from the present market, which is on October, which is in October here. So the market tried the first one here in August, and here is November. And finally, the candle that crossed it, and which is this one. This one is December 6th. Listen, this is why people don't know how we analyze the market. So follow this. This is what I'm showing you is what is going to happen in 2023. So if you want to know the prediction of the Forex, I'm using Crash 1000 as the case study. You can follow this very strategy and see. Just follow it carefully, because I will also remind you about this video for you to see if what I said is true or not. All right. So when the market broke out here, it went down in the same December 13. The market went down the same first week of December, second week of December, third week of December. It was that week, throughout that week, it was movements, bullish movement and bearish movement in the lower time frame until December. That's the final day of that thing was on December 1st. That is December ending, which is 31st. So once you see it, as the thing went ahead to that place, the market keep going down. The market keep going down. The market keep going down. Keep going down. All right. So I just showed you what happened there. Ever since that time, sorry, that thing is in 2020. So ever since November, sorry, this thing is November 2020. Ever since November 2020, get that. Ever since November 2020, watch the direction of the market. The market has been in downtrend. Look at it, in downtrend. Then in the on downtrend. Then on August, in August here, this position, the market tried to go up. Okay, this one is April. The market tried to go up in April. So as the market tried to go up, it couldn't succeed. It started going down again throughout April, May, June, July, till this place. Every candle you are seeing here represents 1 week. 1 week. Look at it. Till here. So this is November. Sorry, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 7th month of the year. 8th month, all through this place. It tried and get to this point. Nothing happened. The market is still downtrend. Please follow me, because if you get this, there is no how you will make the same mistake you made in 2021, in 2022, and also made the same mistake on 2023. So here again, the market tried. The market tried. At the end of the day, the market finally break out from this place. The final candle that broke out in this thing it happened on October 31st. That was the final place the market broke out. Look at this candle here. This candle, let me mark something to show you what I'm saying, so that it will not be confusing. This is the place the market broke out, and this very candle is the one. This very candle is the one that broke out. So that thing that broke out from that time, ever since that time the market broke out, it's continued. Though it tried, it couldn't even cross. Look at it from here. So this thing happened in October 31st. This one entered November, and that week, throughout that week. So on December 5th, the thing keep going down. The thing keep going down. So this movement here happened on December 2022 and 2021. So which candle opened up in Crash 1000? The candle that opened up in Crash 1000 was a spike. That was the candle that opened up in Crash 1000. So Crash 1000 was on spike throughout January 1st, January 2nd, January 3rd, January 4th, January 5th. Then from January 23 or thereabout, the market retraced. Then through January, February, first week of February, second week of February, third week of February, and even the fifth week, the third and the fourth, whatever happened in February was all about bullish movement. Then on March, the market started going down again. The market started going down. I'm showing you those things so that you will see the structure of the market so that you can comfortably predict the market. So from March, look at it, from March this year 2022 till date, till today, which is that same December again, the market has been on downtrend. This is weak. So now let me show you how the 2023 is going to be. If you can follow me, it's going to be of benefit to you. Do the same thing I'm doing in all your lower in all the other markets. Look at it. Follow here now. If you look at this place now, you see that the market is making a bullish movement, but this market is still fighting with this very thing here. Look at it. It has this resistance zone. So when it comes to this resistance zone, it's testing it. At this point now, the market is not purely an uptrend, but in every other, please listen, in every other time frame, like day trend, all those things, what you are seeing is bullish. Market is making a bullish movement. Then this thing you are seeing here now, this small weak this thing that the market is retracing, you are seeing here now, will be like a spike in lower time frame. It is going to be like a very long spike in lower time frame, but it's going to be more of uptrend. The market is going to be more of uptrend. So how will 2023 going to be? See it in this market and watch it if I'm sure or not. Now look at it. Let me minimize completely. Now every candle here represents 1 week. This candle you are seeing here now that is making this move. This candle you are seeing here now that is making this move is going to close this candle is going to close either on 18th of this week. This bullish candle is going to close on 18th of this week. Look at the prediction. If this market will close on 18th, which means it's going to see the market will be going up, going down, as it is spiking, it's retracing, it's filling up, it's going empty, it's filling up. What you are seeing there is what you enjoy in your lower time frame. But what you can see here already is that it is on a bullish movement, which means that those who want to do scalping can take advantage of it from their lower time frame, more of expecting spike. That is all you can see from this very thing you are seeing here now. That is the benefit of this. For those who started like since November, the market has been, that is why if you check your crash 1000, it has been of more of scalping. So those that cast spike using crash 1000 is because of this emptiness here. When the market refilled and started spiking down like this, it can take like a day or 2 days before it will finish up, because this is a week. Every candle here represents 1 week. So this is one thing you should know. So immediately this candle will keep going down and keep going up, then it will touch here. If it touch, I'm going to show you the opposite side of it and negative side of it. So if the market touches here, which means it has broken out from this resistance zone and it will close. Listen to that. It is going to close. So if the market closes here, as a bullish candle, then you now check the nature of the candle, because it is possible for this candle to spike and get to this point and leave this thing to become a indecision candle. So if this thing becomes indecision candle, which means that you have to stay off and see the next move. By so doing, it means that you still want to come back to this place to form a double bottom. Get that? Which for this thing to happen here now, another candle open here, that means we are already in January next year, 2023. But if another candle opens up here, you now have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. The next candle will open. If that next candle opened on January 24th, if that candle opened on January 24th, you now allow the candle to take and move. The candle may go up. So that candle, if the candle manages and starts going up again, it has breaking out. And this one now, these two lines you are seeing here now is coming to join together. You now have 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So in that 31, on January 1st, 2023, the candle will close. So any candle you see there, allow it to take a move. If it's taking a bullish move, depending on the nature of the candle, if it is taking a move, if it is taking a bullish movement, that means the market is targeting to get somewhere here. Get that? Which means it has formed complete uptrend. All those things that happened in previous years, the thing was started retracing back. So if care is not taken, if this thing I said here now happened this way I said it, which means that all through 2023 is going to be scalping. You can place your trade under scalping and go home and sleep. Why a lot of people is losing money or have lost their money on crash 1000 this year is because all through 2023, all through 2020, scalping on crash 1000 is at the minimal rate from the week analysis. Let me show you in a mondo. It's going to be this thing. Now look at this thing. This is 1 month. This is 1 month. If this candle will complete as a bullish candle, which means December 2022 is all bullish movement. What you see is just a little movement and weather. So if the next candle will open on January as also a bullish candle, which means January is giving you a scalping position. Then if it gets here and manage to cross here, if this thing crosses here, January, February, March becomes a scalping distance. But there is no how they will allow this. They will test it. So around March, April, May, the market will start dropping. That means May 2023 may be spike position. Then June may be spike position. Then August, then July, the market will try to retrace back. Then August, September, the market will be on scalping. On scalping position, which is bullish movement. This is how I see it. So why do we have lesser people that have made money through scalping? All this why is because right from November 2020, the market is still, all this thing you are seeing here is spike. Remember, I used spike. I used crash 1000 as my case study. So this is how the market is going to be. So if this market here now will close as a bullish candle and open another one as a bullish candle, which means it will get here. One candle here represents 1 full month. One candle here represents one full month. This one started on December 1st and is going to close on December 31st. So the next candle, this candle now can open up this candle can open up as a new candle, as bullish. But look at the negative side of it. It is possible that this candle you are seeing here as a bullish candle can get to 28th of this month and decide to drop. If this thing decides to drop, what will happen is what you are seeing here. Look at it. This is exactly what will happen. So if this thing happens again, that means that January 2023 will still be bearish, which is catching spike. So if you see those things, you are sure with these things you can now clearly step into the market without any atom of fear and without any atom of losing your trade. But the question is, who can trade this market using this analysis? Number one person that can trade it confidently is those who are swing traders. You enter the market and enjoy your trade and you step out. All right, then the question is, how can I trade now since the market is like this? If you want to trade on crash 1000, please trade on scalping. Look for possible entry point on scalping, because what you are seeing is that the market is on a bullish movement. So if this market should start going down like this now, do you know what it means? It simply means that in your 1 week candle, the candle is just shortening down because of this resistance zone. So if this market should open another one and start going here, you are going to be on a super winning rate, very high rate. That is how it will be. So it can happen that in a week that this candle can, maybe 4 days later, the market can decide to drop and even get to this point. So if that happens, that is what makes market a probability. So you must know that everything I've said here now is a prediction from the years I've been in forex trade and how I have analyzed my years, and because I always set up a target of how I think the market should be. So I think that it is necessary for me to open you up so that you not make mistake in 2023 that is yet to come. I use crash 1000 as my case study, because crash 1000 and boom 1000 is heavy. So if you can successfully know what is there, you know that because they can't spike anyhow, then they don't grow anyhow. You don't do scalping anyhow. So before you place your trade, you have to be careful, because if it spikes, the spike is 1. If you want to grow, the scalping is 1. So be careful when trading this thing. So my advice is, from now till December ending, look for scalping opportunities, not spike opportunity. The only reason you should enter for spike opportunity is if you have seen that this bullish market is returning back, because it is possible that they will not allow it to cross this 200 moving average here. So if they couldn't allow it to cross, that means that you have to see the market, you have to be taking scalping and spike. So that is how the market works. So my name is GDFS. I want to see you. So that is why I don't keep those things to myself. That is why I always want to see you make good money on forex trading. GDFS signing out.